Hi friends, welcome to Discovery at Home. Today we are playing with Play-Doh, but we're doing something really special with the Play-Doh, okay? We are making Play-Doh monsters, dun dun dun. So all you need is Play-Doh, maybe some craft supplies like googly eyes or pipe cleaners, popsicle sticks, yarn, whatever you have around the house to add on to your Play-Doh monsters. That's all you need. And then your imagination so that you are ready to create. So first things first is get your Play-Doh and mold the Play-Doh into the body of what you want the monster to look like or the character. You could make anything you want, okay? So mold it into the shape that you want, whatever that is, and then use your craft supplies to create the face. You maybe want hair. It completely is up to you. Your decision, okay? You could add wings, you could add a tail, you could add so many different features. Again, completely up to you to design, okay? So Play-Doh, art supplies, and then you are ready to go. You're ready to create. And the coolest part is, after you're done creating one monster, you can take it apart and you are ready to create something brand new. And you can see how many different things you can create just in one time activity, okay? One time. Then you can see how many you could do. And if you have enough Play-Doh, you could make multiple ones, and then suddenly you have little Play-Doh monsters that can play together. So many possibilities for you. We're excited to see what kind of Play-Doh monsters or characters you create with this Discovery at Home. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Evergy.
Thank you to Evergy for making Discovery at Home possible.